Have you ever sat there wondering how some people online seem to be making thousands of dollars a month without a traditional job, without any investment, and often without even leaving their homes? Well, I have good news for you. In today's video, I am going to walk you through 7 specific AI business ideas that can each generate up to $1,000 per month. And you can begin even if you are completely broke. These are not vague, hypothetical ideas. These are practical, real-world income models that people are already using in 2025, powered almost entirely by artificial intelligence. So grab a notebook, because you are going to want to take notes on this one. Let us get started. The first business is one of my favorites, AI-powered content reap. Imagine this. You take long-form videos from YouTubers, podcasts, or businesses, and you use tools like Pictory AI or Opus Clip to automatically turn those into short, viral clips for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. You do not need to film anything yourself. You simply become the middle person who transforms and distributes content. Charge $300, $500 per client per month. Second, we have selling AI-generated digital products. Use tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, or Canva AI to create ebooks, Notion templates, planners, stock illustrations, or coloring books. You can sell these on Gumroad, Etsy, or your own simple Shopify store. These products require little to no money up front, and once made, they sell passively. You can automate customer delivery, upsell funnels, and SEO-optimized listings. With 10 to 20 sales per product per month at $5, you hit your $1,000 target quickly. Number 3. Start a resume and cover letter optimization service. AI tools like KickResume and Resume by Resi can help you craft professional-grade resumes and personalize cover letters in minutes. You can charge $30, $50 per order and position yourself on Fiverr or Upwork. Better yet, niche down. Focus on tech resumes, freelance portfolios, or entry-level career changers. You can even create packages that include LinkedIn optimization, which AI tools can help you with as well. 5 clients a week, and you are already there. Fourth on the list, build a micro SaaS or aggregator site. You do not need to be a developer. Use no-code tools like Bubble, Webflow, or Tilda, and connect AI APIs via Zapier or Make.com. For example, create a site that compares AI writing tools, or a niche tool, like a real estate description generator or academic site. Monetize with affiliate links, monthly subscriptions, or ads. If you get a few hundred monthly visitors with good targeting, you can easily make $1,000 passively. Next up, faceless YouTube automation using You write scripts using ChatGPT, generate voiceovers with Elite, and create videos with Pictory or Runway ML. These can be in niches like finance, tech news, luxury lifestyles, or productivity hacks. Upload regularly. Monetize through ads, affiliate links, or sponsored mentions. Once your videos gain traction, the income becomes recurring. Many small channels are earning $1,000 a month with under 10K subscribers. Sixth idea. Launch a niche AI-powered newsletter or blog. Use Notion AI or WriteSonic to generate well-structured SEO-optimized content. Pick a niche such as productivity for students, AI tools for creators, or remote job guides. Monetize using Substack affiliate links or display ads. All it takes is consistency and proper content distribution. If you build an audience of even 500 loyal readers, $1,000 a month becomes a realistic and sustainable goal. And finally, we have AI prompt engineering as a service. People are now paying others to craft better prompts for tools like ChatGPT. You can start a freelance gig where you help small businesses, marketers, or creators get better results from AI, whether for writing, code generation, or image creation. The barrier to entry is low, but the demand is growing rapidly. Just 10 to 20 prompt consultations per month at $50 each puts you well above your income goal. So there you have it. 7 powerful AI business models that can earn you $1,000 per month without capital, coding, or prior experience. These are not just trends. These are shifts in how people work, earn, and build businesses. And the best part, you can start today. If even one of these ideas sparked your curiosity, I encourage you to take action. Pick one, test it for 30 days, and track your progress. Do not forget to subscribe for more practical videos that turn AI into income. This is Byte to Bank, where digital tools become real financial freedom.